Good morning students, Saira. Let us do the revision of EVS 1 lesson number 19, My Delightful School. So let us see what type of questions will be asked in the exam. This is the paper pattern of your EVS paper. Now your EVS paper will be EVS 1 and EVS 2. Both the subjects will be in EVS paper and total the paper will be of 20 marks. So 10 marks EVS 1 and 10 marks EVS 2. The first Roman number, C, fill in the blanks by choosing the correct option. You are going to get 5 sub questions in that. So that will be of 5 marks and you will get options in that. So you have to choose the correct option. Second Roman number is choose whether the following statements are true or false. Again 5 sub questions in that, and that is also of 5 marks. Third Roman number, name the following by choosing the correct option. It can be name the following or it can be answer in 1 or 2 words. Okay, that is also 5 marks and 5 questions will be in that. The last Roman number is answer the following by choosing the correct option. 1 sentence, 1 line answers will be asked, and that also will be of 5 marks. So in all your EVS paper will be of 20 marks. But children, don't take it lightly, as you are going to get options for every questions. Unless and until you don't learn, you will not know what is the correct option and which option to choose. So even if we provide you 10 options or 20 options, you should learn, because to choose the correct option, studying and learning is important. So start learning and studying the objectives thoroughly and perfectly. Even one line answers are also objectives. So don't avoid one line answers, one sentence. You have to learn that too. Okay. So let us see now Roman number 1. Fill in the blanks by choosing the correct option. First question is, if we dash one another, we can succeed in everything. Okay. Read the question properly and try to understand. If we dash one and another, we can succeed in everything. A option is push, B option is help, and C option is compete with. So which is the correct option? If we help one another, so I am going to tick help option. Okay, that is B option. So if we help one another, we can succeed in everything. Now second one, every dash must get the joy of learning in school. Okay, A option is boy, B option is girl, and C option is child. Okay, every boy must get the joy of learning in school. Only boys are allowed to go to school nowadays? No. Every girl must get the joy of learning in school? No. So every child means a boy or a girl, means all. Children means who? Boys, girls mix. They all are called children. So every child, that is the C option is the correct option. So I am going to tick child. Every child must get the joy of learning in school. Okay. Now look at the third one. Children with special needs also have a right to dash. Now who are the children with special needs? Those children who cannot see, or those who cannot hear, or those who cannot walk properly. Okay, the children who are born with physical handicaps, or they are handicaps because of some reason, okay, means some accident in their life. That is why. So they are the children with special needs. Okay. So children with special needs also have a right to, A option is education, B option is speak, and C option is work. So which is the correct option? The children with special needs also have a right to education. So education, I'll take education is the correct option. Okay. Now the next one. The dash has provided many facilities for the education of the girls. Who has provided many facilities for the education of the girls? A is family, B is school, and C is government. Okay. So has the family provided facilities for the education of girls? No. Has the school provided facilities for the education of girls? No. So whose responsibility it is? It is the government's responsibility to provide facilities for the education of the girls. So C option, that is government, is the correct option. Okay, so I am going to tick C option. The government has provided many facilities for the education of girls. Now next one. We make many dash in school. Okay, what do we make many in school? A is relatives, B is friends, and C is enemies. So do we make relatives in school? No. Relatives are in the house, and in our family they are called relative. The members of our families are called relatives. Cousin, brother, sister, uncle, they all are our relatives. B option are friends. We make many friends in school? Yes, definitely right. And C is enemies. No, we do not make enemies in school. We make friends in school. So B option is the correct option. So I am going to take B option. Okay. Now we will go to Roman number 2, that is choose whether true or false, or it can be right or wrong. Okay. Now first, the needs of children who cannot see or hear are different. Okay. So is it true or is it false? It is the needs of children who cannot see or hear are different. So is true definitely. So I will take A option. 1 minute. So true is the correct option. Okay. Then next one. The government has many schemes for the children with special needs. True or false? Has the government taken initiative to make schemes for the children with special needs? Yes. So the answer is true. So I am going to take the true option. Okay. Next one. The girls do not have a right to the joy of learning. Are only the boys have the right for the joy of learning? Have they only the boys have the right to education, or even the girls have the right? Both boys and girls all have equal rights for getting education. So this answer is false. Okay. So I am going to take false. Okay. We learn through a common language in the school. Common means, see, though we speak different language in the house, our mother tongue is different, but in the school we all are one, and whatever we learn is also the same. So yes, true is the correct option. So I am going to pick true. Okay. Now the next one. It is a great fun to attend a class where there is a lot of diversity. Okay. Diversity means in a classroom there are children who come from different religions, traditions. Okay. Some are Hindus, some are Christians, some are Sikhs, some are Gujaratis, some are Hindus, means everything, Gujaratis, Punjabis, everybody. So it is a class of diversity. Okay. And because it is a class of diversity, we get to exchange different ideas with one another. We come to know about their customs and traditions, which we also like and respect it. Yes or no? Your friend who must be a Muslim and he's celebrating Eid, he will invite you for Eid in his house, and he will treat you with lot of delicious dishes. So this is called diversity, and this is called exchanging of ideas, exchanging of gifts, exchanging, helping one another, respecting one another. And yes, it is a great fun to attend a class where there is a lot of diversity. So the answer is true here. So I am going to take true option. Okay. Now we will see the next Roman number. Roman number 3, answer in 1 or 2 words, or it can be name the following also. Okay. First one, where do we make many friends? Okay. A, home, B, school, and C, hospitals. Now where we make many friends, we make friends at home. No, at home you may be your brother, sister. There are limited friends. Okay. School, yes, because school you get many children to talk to share things with, and you make a lot of friends in school. So B option is the correct option. So I am going to take the B option. And hospital is not the correct answer, it is the wrong answer. So B, we make many friends in school, is the correct option. Now the next one. How are the needs of everyone? Needs means, see, my need is different from your needs. Your needs may be different. My needs may be different. Your mama's needs may be different. Your daddy's needs may be different. We all don't have. Yes. So what is the correct answer? A option is same. B option is different. C option is similar. Now A option same and C option similar. Meaning is the same. Means it is same. So how are the needs of everyone? The needs of everyone are different. So B option is the correct answer. So I am going to take B. The needs of everyone are different. Now let us see the third one. Who lags behind in school? Okay. Why do whether it is a boy or girl, what is the correct answer that we are going to see. But who lags behind in school? A option is boys, B option is girls, C option is parents. Parents don't attend school, so C option is wrong. Do boys lag behind in school? No. Majority of the times it is the girls. So B option, girls, is the correct answer. So girls lag behind in school. Okay. Now fourth one. What should we do in order to help everyone? Okay, what should we do in order to help everyone? A option is avoid others, B option is understand each other, and C option is fight with one another. So if we want to help one another, what should we do? Should we avoid others? No. Ignore. Avoid means ignore. No. Should we? C option is fight. Should we fight with one another? No. Then what is the correct one? We should understand each other. If we understand each other, then only we can help one and another. So B option is the correct option. Okay. Now the last one. How does the classroom looks when the uniform is not compulsory? Okay. Now when teacher tells you that tomorrow wear colorful dresses, don't wear uniforms, because so and so we are going to celebrate Diwali party or Christmas party, or we are going to celebrate Children's Day. So where uniform is not compulsory, you can wear any dress of your choice. So how does the classroom looks during that time? A option is colorless, B option is colorful, and C option is white. So which is the correct answer? Colorful is the B option, that is colorful is the correct answer. Okay. Now children, this was the end of our revision of 19th lesson, but do not rely only on revision videos. Do not depend only on revision videos. You have to go through the previous videos of these lessons. You have to refer the notes of these lessons, and in that you have to combine all the things together, and you have to do self study out of like that of each chapter. So do not depend only on revision videos. Refer the notes also which we have provided. Refer the videos of the chapters which are being given to you before only, and refer the textbooks also. Okay, if you have, refer the textbooks or refer the PDF of the textbooks. Read the lesson once from there, and then only you can understand it in a better way, and you can solve the paper in a very easy manner. Okay, so all the best children. Study every day at least for 2 hours compulsory. Take any subject of your choice, whichever you like. You prepare a timetable from Monday to Saturday or Monday to Friday. If you want Saturday, Sunday, you take holiday. But now as exams are going to come near, it is nearing, your exams are nearing, so take holiday once in a week, that is any Sunday, Saturday, whatever you want to, but study 2 hours regularly whichever subject you write. And maths, practice every day, at least practice 6 to 7 or maximum I will tell you 10 sums every day of each chapter, so that you become very, very perfect. Is that clear? All the best students. Thank you for listening to me carefully. Goodbye. Take care.